Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest, and I'm back with a new video on how to send money on Venmo or how to Venmo someone. So in order to Venmo someone, first of all you need to make sure that you already have an account on your Venmo, and after that you'll be able to receive or transfer money on your Venmo account. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing, you need to log in into your Venmo account. Once you're logged into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like, and then on the home page you need to click on the dollar icon located in the top right corner of your screen. So once you click on it, next interface you need to enter the recipient address. That includes entering either their name, username, phone or email address. So once you're done providing the recipient address, next interface you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer or Venmo, and after you're done entering the amount you can also add a description to it. And once you're done entering all of these information, tap on pay, which is right at the bottom, and once again in order to confirm you need to double check all of the information, and if you're sure about it, tap on confirm, and then you'll be notified through a check mark that the transaction has been completed and that you've successfully sent money from your Venmo. So that is how you can send money from your Venmo account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.